Take advantage of an online hearing test before your audiology appointment. Save time, money, and stress. This is a good way to know your options before you go and be better prepared. Yes, taking an online hearing test before your audiology appointment can be a good way to prepare and understand your hearing health better. It can help you identify any potential hearing issues and provide you with a better understanding of your hearing capabilities before you visit the audiologist. An online hearing test can save you time, money, and stress, as it is a convenient and cost-effective way to check your hearing. You can take the test from the comfort of your own home, at a time that is convenient for you. Additionally, it can help you better communicate with your audiologist during your appointment, as you will have a better understanding of your hearing health and the issues you may be experiencing. However, it's important to keep in mind that online hearing tests may not be as accurate as a hearing test conducted by an audiologist. If you have concerns about your hearing health, it's always best to schedule an appointment with a qualified audiologist for a comprehensive evaluation. They can provide you with a thorough assessment of your hearing health and recommend the best treatment options for your needs.